Okay, we're going to now work on calculating a markup based on cost as your base and known amount. So in this problem here, we got ski center. The most people will pay for a neck warmer is $10. The most they will pay for a neck warmer is $10. The manager of Rita Center knows he needs a 30% markup based on cost. Okay, so we know that we're doing a based on cost. What is the most the manager can pay the suppliers for neck warmers and still keep the selling price at $10? Let's set it up. Sell price. Well, we know it's going to be $10. He says that they can't sell this for anything more than $10. But our markup is based on cost, not sales price this time. So let's set it up. And it says that they definitely have to have a 30% markup. So that's 30%. And since we're doing cost, based on cost, we know that that's our base. So it's 100%. All right, so cost is going to be the unknown that we're working with at the moment. So let's just finish this percentage right out. So we know that in this case, our sales price is 130% of our cost, but we don't know what our cost is yet. But now we've got a workable formula. So we've got 10 divided by X, which is cost. Okay, that is the cost, that's the base. The base we don't know yet because it is 100% of this amount, and we want to figure out what this amount is. So what we have is the ability to do that. So we got sales price. So let's find out what cost is. So that's going to be 10 divided by X is equal to 130%. Get X on both sides again. I just want to do it this way. Is 10 equal to 1.3 or 130% times X. And now to get X on this side all by itself, we just take the 10 and divide it by $1.30. And then we will get the cost that we are going to be able to pay. That's all we're going to pay because that's exactly the cost that we need in order to sell it at $10 and still get a 30% markup. So 10, that means we've got to sell we can't pay any more than $7.69. All right, so at that point, we know that $7.69 is our base. So there's things we could do. Now, if it asks for, well, what's the markup dollar amount? Well, now we know it's 10 minus $7.69. Or we can do the calculation over here. We would take the amount, or we can take the 30% here, and we can figure out what the markup is now that we know what the cost is. So then it would just be X divided by the $7.69. So let's see how that works out. That's going to be $7.69 times 0.3. If we did the calculation, or $2.31. And let's see if that works backwards. $10 minus $7.69 equals $2.31. We're good to go backwards and forwards. And so that's a calculation of cost, and specifically having cost set at 100% or the base. So this is a calculation of the markup, achieving a markup based on the cost as opposed to the sale price.